Hi, this is Greg from On-Site Storage Solutions. Today we're going to show you how you can move your container if you get it delivered and it's not as close as you want to another container. Most of the time when these are delivered, they're delivered on a tilt bed trailer, and about the closest they can get is this about 10, 11 inches. It's close, but probably not close enough for what most people want. So we're going to show you a way to do it after the fact once it's been delivered. As you can see, we have a bottle jack in the corner. This bottle jack comes with what we can call a container lifting jig. We sell these, pretty inexpensive, and it makes the process much easier for lifting the container. You don't have to dig things out, that kind of stuff. You're going to need some chain, and it has to be certified chain, right? You got to make sure that it's really the heavy duty, high tensile strength stuff. And you'll need a come along. And this is what's going to do is it's going to pull it together slowly. Now we're using the weight of 2 containers, okay? And the way I did that is by attaching to this other container here. So we have the weight of 2 containers to move 1, okay? Should work well. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and lift this end of the container up so that we have enough clearance to slide this bar underneath right here. As you can see, we've lowered it down. I'm going to lower it a little bit more. Sitting on the pipe right now. So now that's going to allow us to pull it towards the other containers because it's going to roll with as we use the come along to pull it together. Just lowering this down so it's out of the way. Now we use the come along to kind of just pull it. So you can see it's already minimized that gap quite a bit. So a couple more times and we should have it. This is rolling across. We still have room for it to move this way without it dropping into this gap here. So we're going to readjust the come along so we get more room to be able to tension it. So once I have it butted up against here, I'll go ahead and lift it, pull out the pipe. That way it'll prevent it from wanting to go back. Let's just check how it's lining up. Looks pretty good, right? Now that we've done the front, now you're going to do the back. Same process that we did for the front. Just basically the jack and the come along and marry it together and you're all set. Thanks again for watching. Give us a call if you have any questions. And if you're interested in purchasing our container lifting jig, don't hesitate to give one of our experts a call. We're here to help. We sell containers throughout the US and Canada.